Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reply to messages on Instagram. So in case you didn't know, there is a reply feature that you can where you can directly reply to a certain message when you exchange a message with your friends or family, and I'm going to show you how. So first, open your Instagram and then go to the DM or to the message menu at the bottom. And for example, I want to reply to my friends this one. And if you want to reply the a certain message like this, as you can see, she used the reply feature like this, my friends. And if you want to do the same, just long press the message and you'll find the pop-up option here. Just click on reply and you can just start typing the reply for your friends. And there is also other way. You can just swipe right your the message, and the arrow will show like this, and it will directly automatically direct you to the replying column. You can just start typing in the text or the message column. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.